your subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if just Instagram couldn't refresh feed, so mostly it happened because you just have problems with your internet. So just try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. So another thing you can try to go to the settings. In the settings, just find here Wi-Fi. Just try to turn it off and turn on again. And another thing you can try, just open mobile data or cellular data. Just try to turn it off and turn on again. So also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait for a second and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power on your phone again. So just simply restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, just try to update your iPhone. So just tap on general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. And another thing you can try to update your Instagram app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write here Instagram. And if you see here not open but update like I see, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.